As I show you in my previous video, I made a program for room and hall, light and fan and air condition automatic control by PLC. So I connect this to HMI also. You can see this on HMI, the same program. Also I included this dripping light illusion program also in this program. You can see in the side right side. And this is the setup for room and light automatic control. People enter in the room, suppose classroom, hall, auditorium. People enter in the room, in the hall, and they start light and fan. But when they leave, one by one, the people leave the room, but they forget to switch off the light and fan. This program made from PLC, it will switch off automatically when the last person leaves the room. See, this is the setup I make here for starting the room automatic control. I have to press X3. If I press X3, this light and fan indicator will start. See this. This is the first sensor on door sensor. First person, as soon as first person enters, this start. And as soon as the first person leaves the room, this light and fan off. And this can be for number of people in the hall, in the meeting room, in the classroom, many people there. So first person enters, second enter, third enter, fourth enter, fifth enter, seventh enter, no problem. Now people start leaving the room. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, light close. You can see also on HMI, as soon as the first person enters, this light and this fan start automatically. As soon as the first person enters, you can see first person enter, light start, fan start, and this also indicator 1, sitting person, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, as many as people can. Now people start leaving. This is the door sensor for the leaving. Now I am pressing. See this, the counting also start. As soon as it count 9, all person left the room, light and fan switch off. See, 1, 2, 3, person leaving, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now fan and light shut down. Now same program I make here, the dripping light illusion. This is the dripping light illusion, this one. So you can see, I will start the dripping light, the same program. You can see the dripping light illusion. See this. Also you can see on the PLC training board, also this dripping light. The same program I incorporated the two programs in one, and also I put on this HMI. And in the same time I will start this person coming in, entering in the room. First sensor, see this. So as soon as first person enters the room, the light and fan start automatically. Second, third, fourth. Now people start leaving the room. See this, after third, 4 person left the room, light and fan will switch off automatically. 3, 4. Okay. Now first person enter, light on. First person leaves the room, light close. This is the setup. Here I am also using switches for instead of the sensor. We can use sensor on the door, one sensor for people entering and one sensor for people leaving from the room, 2 sensor only. And we can use an HMI also in the factory.